My name is Jaul Islam Jihan. I want to show you my CRUD application and explain its functionality. Let's start the program. Now, here we can see when I started the program, all my data are shown. This is why. Let's see the code. Here in this constructor, form1, we call the function load grid. That is it. We In this function load grid, we have written the code to show the data grid view when we execute the program. That's why when we start the program, all the data are shown here. And this is all these buttons: find, save, update, delete. This find button is used when I need to find someone with their ID. Let's see, if I want to find ID 25, then I have to put 25 here and click find. We can see the data. And if these text boxes are empty, let's say find ID box is empty, if I click on this find button, there will be a pop-up message ID required. Okay, save, same, all the buttons is required, text box is not empty. Okay, so this save button insert values in the data table. Let's see, some random ID, random name, XYZ, salary, random city, XYZ. Okay, if I click up save, these values will be inserted into this table and all the values will be loaded. Okay, here we can see XYZ. This is the row we have inserted just now. We can update this using ID. Okay, let's rename this for ID 5959, name, salary, and city. If we click this, we can see this is edited. Okay, now okay, this worked perfectly. And if we want to delete, we just need to put the ID. If we delete this, okay, we want to delete this row, so just put the ID. This text box can be empty or it is not necessary. Okay, ID 56554 is deleted. Yeah, there is no 6555. So if we click this exit button, there will be a pop-up message. Are you sure you want to exit? If I click no, there will be nothing. And if yes, this program will exit. Now I want to show you my database schema. Here, this is the table description. ID is primary key. This cannot be null. Name, varchar, salary, numeric, city, and here we can see this is old data. Now if we refresh, the data will be edited. Here, this row we inserted earlier just now. Now I want to explain the code. Here, if we click find, this click event will appear. Now here is a try catch section. If any exception is catched, we will handle using these codes. Now here, first of all, we checking the ID text box is empty or not. If not empty, we will execute this code, and if empty, we will show this message box. Okay, now this is the connection string, and connection is opening, and the query, this is the query. Select all from, oh, this is my table name, from where id equals to id. This is getting the id from id text box and inputting here, and the command will be executing in this line, and the connection will be closed. Then the data grid view will be appear. Then in this section, this is same, these two line is same, and here is a function called isValid. This is a function for checking all the text boxes are filled up or empty. If empty, this message will be shown. This message will be shown, and is if not empty, then these codes will be executed. These two lines are common for everyone, every connection. And this is the query. Here, insert. We will be inserting this insert into, this is the table name, and these are the values. Here we converted the text box element into int, because we declared the id int in the database, and all the things we do input in the text box, that is string. That's why we have to convert this into int. And here also from string to double, because salary is numeric, because I want to int and salary is numeric. That's why we need to convert this one and this one. So this query will be execute here, and connection will be closed. After clicking the save, all the data text boxes will be cleared. If we run, then we can see, look, if we do random input and save, okay, if I click OK, then these values will be cleared here, that execute perfectly. Now after that, the load grid view will be, the data grid view will be shown by calling this function, and any exception will handling here. Then update button, all this code is same. First of all, checking the validity, checking the text boxes are fill ups or not. Then this is same, connection string and connection open, connection close, execute the query. This is the query. Update from table, set name, salary, city, and where id equals to id. For updating, we need the id. That's why we applied a condition here. Okay, and these are the same, and this is converting the string into integer, and string to double. After successfully updating, this message will appear, and load the grid, connection close. If any exception here, we will handle it here. And then delete button here, all the things are same. First of all, we're checking the id text box is filled up or empty. If not empty, this code will execute. These two lines are same, connection string and connection opening, and SQL command delete from information where id equals to id. We are putting the text box element into this id, and it is appearing here, and this command is executing in this line. If deleted successfully, this message will appear, and the text box element will be appear here. That is, if I put an ID, it will be showing like ID dash 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 is deleted successfully. This line is doing that. And connection close, load grid, exception is handling here, and if the text box is empty, this message will be shown. This message. That's it. And exit button. First of all, we checking, we are pop upping a message box that's saying, are you want to exit? If someone click exit yes, then the exit button will close the application. If someone click on no, that it is not doing nothing. Here it is saying nothing. That is how it is working. That's all. Thank you everyone for joining me.